we're gonna do a submission, MMA BJJ submission.
And we're doing
The knee bar. Okay.
What is it from?
Hold on. I think it started from top now.
Top now.
Lower. Wait. You remember? Look.
It's doing more like
Okay. Look. So then let's just drop the motion. Oh. Now, let's do the real practice. Okay.
so. If I miss this, are you gonna go that way?
Yes. So then we need to do this.
No, it's okay.
This way.
Control the thigh above the knee. Drop back, dragging the leg into position. Scissor and clamp your knees around their hamstring. Catch the heel tight against your chest. Drive hips through the knee for a tap. Yay! We win.
That's it. Okay, that was the knee bar?
Yes.
Okay.
Even though, make sure you have supervision because this
Adult supervision.
yes, not kid supervision.
Of course not.
Because this one is pretty painful. And make sure you're on like
A comfortable.
Okay, thank you everybody.
Thank
for
you.
watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.